Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps keep coming out with these crazy flavors, chocolate and parmesan and garlic, and this one, which is outstanding but super heavy, buffalo wing. I mean, this is a great flavor, but you really need um, some whipped cream cheese, some hummus, something really almost milder and creamier and fluffier than hummus to dip this into. Although hummus always works with pretzel chips, as does cream cheese. I mean, pretzel crisps are designed to be dipped. Everyone is just made in a factory, the same size, and they're just perfect for dipping. One thing I'm not super excited about is the fact that these have enriched wheat flour. The other ingredients are so solid and they just seem focused on quality and flavor and somewhat natural ingredients and not cutting corners and using weird, funky, low-end ingredients. So it kind of breaks my heart that they do use enriched wheat flour. But aside from that, the flavor, the taste, the crispiness, everything, and especially the wild, zany flavors they keep coming up with. And they put a warning label on this one: bold and spicy, and it sure is, but not in a hot spicy type of way, like in a zingy, perfectly spiced buffalo type of spicy type of way. Just excellent flavor.